Hi everybody, welcome back. So I have finished up the WW1 Diorama. So I thought I'd take a few minutes and show it off to you guys. First of all, I'm going to preface this with this is the first diorama I've ever built. So be kind. This was actually fun. I had a good time doing it. I was able, sorry, I keep hitting the camera. Actually, it's not the camera, it's me moving on the floor here. Hold on a second. There we go. Okay, that's better. All right, sorry about that. So, first diorama I've ever really done. It was a lot of fun. It was a good learning experience. I was able to use some of the things that I've learned from making terrain for gaming and things like that to make the diorama piece, plus stuff I've learned from watching other videos and all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, I'm proud of what I've done here. I certainly could do better. And whenever I do another one, I will, try to push my skills a little bit. What I'm gonna do is, unfortunately, I do have this on a turntable, but it is not gonna turn. There's just not enough room over here. So I think if I can slide this way a little bit, you get to see a little bit more, maybe. There we go, possibly. Maybe what I'll do is I'll just pick the camera up and just kind of move it. But, so that's the FT17 by Meng. It's the ICM Liberty truck. And then the figures by ICM as well for WW1. And this is essentially late war Americans in World War One. Yeah, let me just see if I can. I'm gonna stop the video real quick and I'm gonna switch to handheld mode so I can just kind of go around this, and I'll let you guys see it, and then I'll throw some stills up at the end so it won't be such shaky cam for you. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So here we go. Let you guys really see the diorama, since I can't actually turn it. That one figure is a little crooked, but yeah, there we go. Some of the figures. I actually did have a lot of fun doing this, even though it took me quite a while to kind of get it finished. But yeah, I think it turned out okay. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever done this. And to answer my wife's question, I have no idea where I'm going to put this in the house. I have no clue where this is going to go. So again, sorry for the shaky cam, but I want you guys to actually see all of this. A little bit more. So, yep, that's all I got. Like I said, I've taken some stills, things like that, so I will throw them up at the end of the video. I hope everybody's doing well and is enjoying their Friday, and I hope you all have a great weekend. And I will have another video up probably tomorrow. I've been practicing some more with my airbrush and plastic spoons and trying some different techniques, so I want to show those off. But here you go. Here's my World War I late war diorama. Everybody have a great day. Oh, and thank you to all my subscribers, especially my new ones that I've picked up over the last week or so. Thank you. And I hope you all like the content here. Talk to you all again. Bye.